Hi and hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this session we are going to discuss about amplifier. So from the amplifier today in this session we are going to discuss about multi-stage amplifier. So in this video, this is like a short video. I am going to explain what is meant by amplifier, what is meant by single stage amplifier, then what is the purpose we are going to move for multi-stage amplifier. So everyone knows in the single stage amplifier, for example, so this is the belongs to one amplifying circuits. You have to consider this is for one amplifier circuits. So every amplifier circuit, it has two input and then output. So two input means the source, so input for output. So from the output we are going to take gain of the particular amplification. So everyone knows what is the purpose we are going for amplifier and what is the purpose we are going for like biasing techniques for faithful amplification, that everyone knows. For faithful amplification, okay. So now here in every amplifier circuits we know that we have source resistance, we have some source resistance, that one is called it as RS. So due to the RS the circuit is going to change and modified, like effect of source resistance, that we will discuss in the next videos in futures. Okay, effect of source resistance. So before going to discuss about the effect of source resistance, we will learn about the multi-stage amplifier. So see that this is called it as single stage amplifier. From the single stage amplifier we are going to take voltage gain of the particular transistor. So if it is a multi-stage amplifier we need to take multiple voltage gain, AV1 with AV2 with AV3. That means the circuits become like this. This is one circuits, again another amplification, AV2, AV3, like this, like n type of the stages are available for amplification. So here AV1, this is called AV2, this is called AV3, this is called AV-nth stage. So this so much stages possible based on the requirement of the customer. Requirement means what are the requirements need for generating the amplifying signal, for construct the amplifiers. It is very important. So this connection is called it as cascade connection. So everyone knows if the application is need for bandwidth, cascade connection is good, will get perfect bandwidth for faithful amplification. So before going to discuss about everything, we will start what are the best advantages of single stage with over multi-stage amplifier. The first advantage is the gain going to improve. The another advantage is Q point. So everyone knows we need to maintain our stability of the operating point. So that Q point also going to improve. Then another important things for multi-stage amplifier, I am not talking about the single stage amplifier, Just I am going to take only for multi-stage amplifier. From the multi-stage amplifier, the best advantage is improved the gain, improved Q point, and also everyone knows there is a input is there is a output is there. That means input is called it as input impedance, output is called it as output resistance. That means that one is called it as output impedance. So this also going to improve. That means improved input impedance and also improved output impedance. So these all are better advantages for single stage to multi-stage amplifier. One more advantage is also there. See my dear students, one more advantage is also there. So what is the best advantage? Compare with all gain, Q point, ZI, Z0, everything is common. Here bandwidth requirement is very high. But where? Which kind of the amplification? Which kind of the multi-stage amplifier? Only for cascaded. Only for cascaded amplifier bandwidth is more. So what about remaining? So remaining bandwidths are in remaining application, that means remaining different type of the multi-stage amplifier bandwidth is less. Already I told you what is the customer requirement. Based on the customer requirement, if it is a low bandwidth need for some application, they will go for another stage of the amplifier. If the customer need high bandwidth, will go for cascaded connection type of the amplification. So these are the very important advantages for multi-stage amplifier. So before going to learn, we need to know about this, about the multi-stage amplification. So next, just I am going to discuss about what are the disadvantages are there. What are the disadvantages are there in a multi-stage amplifier. In multi-stage amplifier, very important things. Multi-stage amplifier. So why it is having some disadvantage? Means everything having advantage and also disadvantage, whatever it may be, technical or non-technical. So here what we are going to discuss, compare to single stage amplifier, bandwidth of multi-stage amplifier is very low. That means first disadvantage is compared to single stage amplifier. Single stage amplifier, that means bandwidth is very low. Compared to single stage amplifier, bandwidth is very low. And so everyone knows it is a multi-stage. Multi means complex only. So it's become complex. It's become complex. It becomes complex circuit. So what happened? Bandwidth also reduced for all, compared with only cascaded, a special case for cascaded only cascaded, the bandwidth going to increase. So remaining all items bandwidth is become complex circuits. So if it is complex, also cost also will going to increase. So these are the important terms for multi-stage amplifier advantage and disadvantage. So how we are going to get the amplification factor, what are the gain, what are the important types of available, what are the types of modification available, everything we will discuss in the next video. Please, I request you all my dear students and friends, just to subscribe to my channel. So it is very little support for me and just to forward to others. Thank you students, and thank you friends and the family members, those who are willing to support to my channel. Thank you once again. Thank you one and all. Thank you all.